I have to throw away all of my makeup if I don't have those emojis? Well, I definitely don't want to do that. Okay, we made it to my fidget and slime room. And first up is a fox. And we're gonna go to my drawer. Not that drawer. I have an animal drawer. Oh my gosh, wait. Okay, slay. Next up is a panda. Ooh, you know what I have? I'm remembering. I have a dimple that looks just like a panda. I know it's over here. Ta-da! It's kind of fun, huh? I got this from Claire's. If you guys are OG followers, I filmed the YouTube video shopping for these fidgets. And next up is a bunny. Should have a bunny. Well, is a Labubu technically a bunny? Like, come on. I feel like it is. I'm gonna do a collection video soon because I have so many. This is totally a bunny, okay? It's a bunny. We have a soccer ball, or no, it's a basketball. One basketball. And I did just see the football. Let's see if I can find it. One football. Ooh. And I should have a dice pop-it cube. I know my collection very well. And we're gonna see if I can find it. It's one of those fidgets that doesn't really have a place to go because it's kind of random. And I can't make a whole drawer just for it. Next up is a disco ball. Yeah, I have that. We have a squishy disco ball. I found the disco ball. Next up we have a bear. I have a little baby bear squishy somewhere. It should be somewhere. So cute. I actually have a game controller squishy. And I don't have a kite, but I do have a magic stress ball. Comment down below what I should do next. You can find all of my slimes. These are actually in Walmart. And you can find my Crunch Bomb slimes in Target now. These literally just dropped. As well as the Grab and Go slime case that's also in stores now. And this is also in Target. Comment down below what challenge I should do next. If it's like slime only, a color only, let me know down below.